The palace acknowledges former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin's clarification regarding the manner of his transition. As he himself stated in his interview, he submitted himself to the President's discretion and prerogative as part of the ongoing reorganization. The palace announcement was issued in line with this understanding and with due regard for stability and continuity in governance. At nagkausap naman po sila ng Pangulo face-to-face at let us just leave it at that. Wala po tayo. Hindi po tayo privy sa kanilang usapan. Kung sino man po yung sinasabi niyang kaibigan na nakausap niya. Wala po tayong kinalaman doon. Muli po, ang pina-announce po sa atin ay galing sa palasyo at kung ano po naramdaman ni E.S. Bersamin, yun din po na ginagalang po natin ang kanyang nararamdaman. At kung ano po ang sinabi lamang po ng palasyo, yun lamang po ang ating in-announce.